here I am at the head office of AccraPremium, and I'm here to talk to Christina. Christina, how you doing? Welcome to the show.
Thank you so much for having me.
Yeah, we've heard a lot about AccraPremium, but I think it's best if we find it from you yourself. Tell us, I like the t-shirt. I like how you did that.
Branding,
definitely. So tell us a bit about AccraPremium.
Well, AccraPremium is based off of, as our founder calls it, nice things. Melissa Mensah, she's a Ghanaian American. She's been raised in America, but we've been living in Ghana for about almost 15 years now. And my mother really started the company with the basis of wanting to create international standard events and international standard publication information in Ghana, specifically our wonderful city of Accra.
So with the world becoming a global village, different cuisines, cultures, lifestyles crossing over, I know you guys have an upcoming event. You have the Embassy Chef Showcase. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Well, AccraPremium, as we've developed, we started doing more food and wine events. With our love of food, we thought, how can we also incorporate charity? So we invited 16 missions from the diplomat community here in Ghana, ranging from the United States to Peru to Mexico, the Indian High Commission. We have a wonderful array of countries from all over the world, all different continents, coming to prepare small canapes for a wonderful crowd of food and culture lovers.
So there are a couple of things that we'll need. I'll need someone that's in charge of logistics, basically getting things from one place to another to follow the flow of the event, and that's going to be you guys, like you always do.
The benefits of our tickets, 50%, goes to the AccraPremium Foundation. The AccraPremium Foundation has been created to establish the first children's museum here based in Accra. Yes.
Wow.
And we're having this showcase now to raise money for a company we're contracting in Canada to create a wonderful children's museum.
Yeah, wow.
The first in West Africa.
First in West Africa. Wow, high five to that.
Thank you.
I think AccraPremium, you're definitely doing a great job. So that's a little bit about AccraPremium. My name is K Swag, and this is Dining with Swag. So for today's show, we're at the plush Movenpick Hotel inside Accra for the AccraPremium Embassy Chef Showcase. Welcome back to Dining with Swag. Right now we're at the Movenpick Ambassador Hotel in Accra, and tonight is the big night. It's the Embassy Chef Showcase. So let's see what happens inside. So with such a large gathering of different nationalities, one can never know what to expect, especially when you have over 15 embassies all under one roof. So we caught a glimpse of Brazil, and you can trust the Brazilian chef to cook up something delicious. there we headed to Europe, Norway to be specific, where we tasted raw salmon. And actually tasted quite good. So what can you tell us about food from Norway?
Today we are having smoked salmon, which is the best salmon in the world.
Okay. So let me pick a fork for that. The best salmon in the world.
The best salmon in the world.
And it's with eggs.
With egg. Scrambled egg. That's how we usually eat the smoked salmon. And this is also smoked salmon, but it's made in mousse with sour cream. Totally different taste, but it's so delicious.
So salmon is very popular in Norway.
Salmon is what we eat. Salmon is these things.
This actually tastes really nice.
Here we also have it as sashimi, raw salmon.
Raw,
Yeah,
okay.
with ponzu sauce and ginger.
And ginger. Let me see how that goes. Oh, it tastes nice.
Very nice, isn't it? But you also do need to taste this one.
Okay.
This is the most popular one we have. It's simply mashed salmon.
So what is it called? Mashed salmon?
Yeah, salmon mousse.
Okay, salmon mousse. Here I go.
Yes.
Trying this. This is nice.
Isn't it?
This is actually nice. So it's salmon, but it's mashed salmon.
Yeah, mashed salmon with sour cream.
Oh, wow. Wow.
And horseradish and everything.
It's an honor to meet you. Thank you very much. I heard Indian food is very spicy.
You don't take the sauce. Don't take the sauce.
Okay.
You can just try it in the corner.
From there, we headed to India. And with all their various spices, my taste buds were on high alert.
This is lamb meat samosa, this is chicken, and this is vegetarian samosa.
That is what?
Vegetarian samosa, potato samosa.
Thank you. So here we are at the Movenpick Ambassador Hotel for the Embassy Chef Showcase. And here to my right, I have the beautiful lady, Mensah, who is the founder of AccraPremium. Mensah, welcome to Dining with Swag.
Thank you so much.
You look amazing.
Oh, thank you.
I like the way you did the whole, thank you.
I'm representing Ghana tonight.
Oh yeah, that's great, that's amazing. So Mensah, tell us a bit about what we should expect tonight.
Well, the Embassy Chef Showcase invites 18 different nations together to showcase their culture through their food. So we have Brazil, Canada, any country you can think of, every continent is represented in that room right now.
Yeah, because I saw the people of different races. I saw Asians, I saw dark skin, light skin, Caucasians. I like the whole Indian mix. Everybody was there.
Everyone is here.
I thought I walked into the United Nations.
Yes.
Because I actually had that feel.
Well, embassies that are represented are headed by most of the members of ASOHOM, which is the Association of the Spouses of the Heads of Missions, so the ambassadors' husbands and wives. So it's a very diverse group, and they've come together and they've supported us very nicely.
I did a little research, and I heard we're going to have a lot of performances. We're going to have a fashion show and the rest. Can you tell us about that?
Well, we have cultural performances by the Embassy of South Korea, as well as India. The Nigerian High Commission will do a fashion show, and the food demonstrations, each country has different surprises in store, and then we have live jazz performances by Ofi Kojo and Tony Manison. We'll have Azonto performance, we'll have, oh yeah.
So will you perform in the Azonto?
If I have to, I can still do an Amanda, is that what? I can still do the Amanda.
Okay. Definitely, then we actually will look forward to that. Probably, I also heard you might perform as well.
Not at all.
Your daughter told me you performed.
She did, huh? Okay,
so
she's telling stories.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for being here.
And I'm
We
glad I have an
appreciate
empty
your
stomach, so I'm
support.
about to taste all the great food.
Very good. Let me know how you enjoyed it.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
The show is Dining with Swag. We'll be right back. Dining with Swag. We'll be right back. Welcome back to Dining with Swag. Norway to beat South Korea gave us a beautiful cultural display, much to everyone's delight. And at some point, I actually felt like joining them. Germany. And with all I've heard about Germany, I'm sure you know I asked about German sausage. And from my research, I found out that Germans eat a lot of sausage.
Yeah.
Well, let me try that.
Mustard. This is the sweet mustard and this is the regular.
So I should dip it in and try it?
Yeah. Here we have the pretzels.
Pretzels.
That's pretzels.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much. Bye. Hi, good evening.
All good?
My name is Kay and your name is?
Rabi.
Rabi. So Lebanon.
Yes.
So what can you tell us about Lebanese food?
Have you tried any?
Actually, I haven't.
Let's go on a journey.
Okay, yeah, definitely. Thank you.
You have to eat a lot, huh? You
Okay.
should eat all.
I'm ready. I'll eat all of it.
Let's start with this one.
Okay.
This one is mutaba.
Matapa.
It's an eggplant spread with tahini.
Okay. I might end up taking the whole thing
These
home.
are generous, so you have to
Oh,
eat a
thank
lot.
you, thank you. Over the years, Ghana and Lebanon have built a strong relationship. So trying Lebanese cuisine was definitely a must. Yeah, I've heard of that.
Sesame. Okay? Then
It tastes great.
we move to, this is called muhammara.
Muhammara.
It's walnut spread, spicy.
It's spicy.
It's spicy. You can eat it without bread if you want.
Okay.
Not too spicy, but it's good.
Yeah, it's not that spicy. When you said spicy, I was up
For you, spicy is different than
Okay, definitely. This actually tastes nice. So about the bread, is it baked?
it's pita bread.
Pita bread.
Pita bread. This is pita bread. Toasted.
You toast it.
Yes.
I see.
Is it good?
This actually, I actually like this.
Let's move to shanklish.
Shanklish. I like how that sounds.
Which is-
Shanklish.
Yeah, which is aged cheese. You mix it with tomato, cucumber, parsley, and olive oil.
So normally, do they eat this as a full meal or they just eat it as a starter?
The Lebanese, it's amazing. So you have to mix up everything and then you share it. It's all about sharing.
Okay, so I'm getting ready for the cheese.
Better with some bread as well. Look at the camera.
Wow.
Don't be shy.
No. this is actually, I like this. I like this. It's a bit spicy.
Yes. I can tell you spicy because it's not spicy for you.
No, I think I'll try this with some bread,
Much
definitely.
better with bread.
This works.
Great. Okay. This is falafel.
And what is that made of? Is it like that?
This is chickpeas but fried. This is different than the other one. This one you eat it with tarator sauce. With this tahini. It's a tahini sauce.
Okay.
So you just dip it.
I dip it in?
Yes.
Then I take a big bite, right? Okay. What is this made of?
Chickpeas.
Okay.
It's a mix. But the base is chickpeas.
And the sauce contains
And the
tahini?
sauce it's tahini, which is made of sesame.
Our northern African brothers Morocco also had a lot to offer. Is it made of flour?
Yes.
What is it made of? Flour?
Flour, sesame, and almond. This one we take it with tea.
So is this popular in Morocco?
Yes. It's traditional. Traditional one. And now
Oh, okay. Thank you.
this one is couscous. It's already finished.
Oh, wow. I can see that. I can see that. I'll definitely come back and try that one. Okay, thank you very much. So which one should I try first, this or that?
You can try this chapte first, and
Okay.
then after that you can try some kimchi.
So what is this called?
Chapte.
Tapte. Did I say right? Tapte?
Chapte, yes.
It's a little slippery.
Right, Korean. It's not strong taste, but you can get a lot higher.
Wow.
And then this called kimchi. It's spicy. Yeah, but you can try some.
Okay. So this is cabbage.
Yeah, it's mainly it's cabbage and then spices. It's all vegetarian food.
So what do you think I should try?
We have ceviche, and here are the ingredients. Your fish,
Marinated in lemon juice.
and then potato and cheese.
Well, I think I'll try this one, right? I just dip it in, right?
It's like fine. Chicken soup.
Which one? This one or that one?
What happens is that you don't want to wait in the queue.
Dining with Swag. We'll be right back. Welcome back to Dining with Swag. So finally we're in Ghana, right?
Yes, this is Ghana.
My name is Kay. Your name is?
Falafel.
Welcome to Dining with Swag. So what do we have here?
Basically, I've tried to do sort of Ghanaian street food, a little bit styled up. So we have.
I see you have the tiger nut here.
Yeah, my inspiration is like my inspiration is pretty much Gold House, the junction there. You know, I'm always driving by seeing it, so I turned it into a drink. I know normally we make it into a pudding.
Yeah.
So it's a drinking version.
So
of
what
it.
is this?
It's tiger nut with a little bit of sugar and some spices.
Okay.
Yeah. There's a little bit of like cinnamon in there.
Yeah. That's nice. This is like tiger nut milk.
Exactly.
Wow.
Yeah.
I see I'm learning already.
Okay.
I see you have this. How do you pronounce that?
Midunu.
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 And what does that mean?
It's a short form of word, well, in the other language, when you want to have people join you to eat, you say Bamidunu, which basically says, come and let's eat.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
This is how all of our Ghana we call this atadre.
Yeah. Exactly.
Brilliant. And what else do you have?
This one is kaklo, which is the plantain fritter.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
And it's got a little bit of coconut on there. And then we have wache.
I have honestly never seen wache put in a spoon like this.
Yeah.
Only Midinu can do that. Definitely.
Thank
I'm
you.
really enjoying my milk. Thanks for having me on the show.
Thank
Really
you.
nice.
All right.
I think I'll try this. I like the color. What is that?
It's a layer sweet steam layer cake. We made from coconut milk.
Coconut milk. Okay. And how do you get it this color?
We make layer by layer. We steam.
And what is this one?
Net pancake.
Pardon?
Net pancake.
Oh, wow. Can I try that?
You want to make it?
Yeah. We can put it next to it. What is that?
It's a chicken curry.
Okay.
Only we eat this with the chicken curry.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. What is inside? Okay. Just like meat pie. So we're still here having a great time at the Embassy Chef Showcase, and we have the legend herself, Toni Madison. Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome to Dining with Swag. So tell us a little bit about why you decided to actually be part of tonight's event.
Well, because there were a lot of embassies involved, all the chefs and everything, and I was hoping that maybe somebody might want me to come and perform at one of their residences, you know.
Oh, okay, because a lot of them were actually impressed. They were talking about, oh, who's that lady, and then I was feeling all happy. Yeah, I know her. I was very excited. That's a brilliant performance.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate
So
it.
we'll continue listening to her music and following up and telling more people that we know you. We met you.
Oh,
Thanks
I
for having me.
appreciate it. Thank you so
You
much.
look amazing.
Oh, thank you. So do you.
Thank you.
You need to teach the musicians in Ghana how to dress.
Okay.
I always say that.
Okay, thank you very much.
All right, thank you.
So here I am, still still at the Movenpick Hotel. We had a great time. I mean, we really had a great time here. And I have Christina and I have Malaika. You guys, welcome to Dining with Swag.
Thank you very much.
I like what you guys said, oh, thank you. I actually feel privileged to be between two beautiful ladies, you know. Yeah, I'm dark, but I would have started blushing if I was light.
Oh,
so definitely, I mean, you guys, what do you guys have to say about the event? Let me start with you, Christina.
All I have to say is a big warm thank you. Thank you to all of our sponsors, Platinum and Gold. Thank you to all the missions. Thank you to all of our staff. Thank you to, honestly, everyone who's even paid just a little bit of attention to our event. We are humbly thanking you for your time.
And what about you? What do you have to say about the food, about everybody that came through?
It was such an amazing event. It was so nice seeing everyone gathering together, eating, laughing, drinking. It was so nice. It was really, really nice.
Did you guys, I know you guys are busy, you guys are helping organize everything. Did you guys get the chance to actually taste the food yourselves?
I did. I was able to, through my round, say, "Are you okay?" Then sneak a bite. So I was able to take a couple bites from around the world, but ultimately when you're working, you know, I want to make sure I left food for our guests.
Then that was great for me. I would have liked to lie and say probably I didn't, but I probably tasted everything.
Excellent.
That you guys had.
Here. That's
yeah,
why
definitely.
You're here.
It was actually great. How about yourself? You're also busy as well?
Very, very busy. I just ate a little bit like 1 hour ago, but yeah.
Oh, that's great. You guys actually did a great job. I mean, getting all 20 embassies in one room in one night, and the performances. So you guys definitely, I think, to say congrats. You guys have done a great job.
Thank you.
I can't wait for the now. I like how you guys say thank you. That's like the Indian lady when I was talking to her, she was doing that.
Yeah,
She was
it's a
saying,
sign of humility.
oh, okay. So thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you
very much.
for letting me come and eat so much great food. Aye.
We look forward to the next edition for AccraPremium Dining with Swag. We're looking forward to many future opportunities to dine with Swag.
Definitely. Okay, so my name is K Swag, and this is Dining with Swag.
Excellent.
So this has been another wonderful edition of Dining with Swag. On this edition, we spent our time with the ladies from AccraPremium. And we also spent our time at the Movenpick Ambassador Hotel right here in Accra for the Embassy Chef Showcase. We tasted food from over 20 different embassies, and I must say, it was amazing. So make sure you join us again on Dining with Swag. My name is K Swag.